In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop wasting time and efficiently copy element designs in Wix Studio. It's a great tool, especially for those repetitive design elements you encounter often. Here's how you can streamline your workflow and make sure every part of your page looks exactly how you want it to without spending too much time manually setting it up. First things first, let's make sure you set up the element that perfectly reflects the design you want to replicate. This step is essential because what you do here will be mirrored across other elements. So make sure this design truly hits all your requirements. Take a moment to double check that every aspect of it is just right, from colors to fonts to spacing. This is your template, so giving it a good look now will save you a ton of time later. Once you've perfected your original design, you're ready to copy it. Simply right-click on the element and you'll see an option to copy element design. If you're not familiar with breakpoints, don't worry. Breakpoints allow your design to adapt to different screen sizes, so choose the option that suits your needs, whether it's this breakpoint or all breakpoints. If your designs need to look consistent across multiple devices, selecting all breakpoints might be your best bet. This feature ensures that your design remains cohesive and professional across various viewing platforms. Now, navigate to the element where you want to apply your beautifully crafted design. Click on it and watch as the design seamlessly transfers over. It's magical, isn't it? This simple trick can drastically cut down the amount of time you spend on design work, leaving you to focus on other important parts of your project. And that's it. See how quickly and effectively the element changed to match your original design? By mastering this technique, you're not just saving time. You're also ensuring that your work maintains a consistent, polished appearance. It's a nifty little tool that, when used wisely, can boost your efficiency and elevate your project quality significantly. Thanks to this clever feature in Wix Studio, repetitive tasks become a breeze. Just remember, it's crucial that the elements you're copying between are the same type, as different types may not support the same design configurations. By taking advantage of this functionality, you not only enhance the visual appeal of your website, but also empower yourself to manage your time effectively. Incorporate this habit into your design routine, and soon you'll find yourself becoming more productive and stress-free. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, work smarter, not harder, with Wix Studio's powerful design tools.